Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in small amounts in certain foods and synthesized by the body. It's perhaps best known for its role in enhancing athletic performance and muscle strength. In recent years, research has revealed several lesser-known scientific health benefits of supplementing with creatine, so we're going to discuss those hidden scientific health benefits in today's video. So the first is cognitive function. So in terms of mental performance, creatine supplementation may have cognitive enhancing effects, particularly in tasks that require short-term memory and quick thinking. Some studies suggest that it may benefit working memory and intelligence. It's also considered positive for neurological disorders, so creatine has shown potential in the management of neurological disorders including neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Huntington's disease, and it may help to protect neurons and enhance brain function. The second health benefit of creatine is brain health. So in terms of stroke recovery, research indicates that creatine supplementation may improve outcomes and recovery in individuals who have suffered a stroke. It's shown promise in reducing brain damage and aiding in post-stroke rehabilitation. It's also been reported to help with mood and depression, so some studies suggest that creatine may have a positive impact on mood and reduce symptoms of depression, and it also may help improve energy levels and overall well-being. Creatine has been shown to help with bone health, especially bone density, so it's been linked to promoting bone mineral density, and this can be beneficial in preventing osteoporosis and reducing the risk of fractures. Creatine is also beneficial for blood sugar regulation because there's evidence to suggest that creatine supplementation may improve glucose metabolism and insulin sensitivity, which could be advantageous for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. It's also good for muscle and joint health. So in terms of muscle disorders, creatine supplementation has shown promise in mitigating the symptoms and progression of certain muscle disorders such as muscular dystrophy, a joint disease called osteoarthritis. Some studies suggest that creatine may help alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis and improve joint function and pain management. Creatine has also been shown to help with inflammation, so it's demonstrated anti-inflammatory properties and may help to reduce inflammation in various tissues, and it also possesses antioxidant properties which can help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage. Creatine may have a protective effect on the skin, particularly against UV radiation. It could potentially reduce the risk of skin damage and skin cancer caused by sun exposure. Some studies suggest that creatine supplementation may slow down age-related muscle loss, which is called sarcopenia, and cognitive decline, potentially contributing to healthy aging. So you can say that creatine has some age-related benefits. In animal studies, creatine has been associated with an increased lifespan, although more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. So it's important to note that while creatine offers these potential health benefits, individual responses to supplementation can vary. So before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you have an underlying health condition or you're taking medications, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure that it's safe and appropriate for your specific circumstance. So if you've made it to the end of the video, leave a 100 emoji. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.